First, open your mouth and make a tense circle with your lips. Your lips should push forward a little, like this. Then, put your tongue in the middle of your mouth. Pull it back up toward the soft palate and keep it tense. If you don't know what the soft palate is, it's right here. Remember, don't let your tongue touch any other parts of your mouth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't forget, it's a voiced sound, so you should feel the vibration in your vocal cords. Ooh. To make this sound, first slightly open your mouth and round your lips. Your lips will relax but stay in a circle and push forward, like this. Then rest the tip of your tongue behind your bottom front teeth without touching them. Raise the back of your tongue a little bit toward the soft palate. The sides of your tongue slightly touch your upper back teeth. Keep your mouth's muscles relaxed. Look at the diagram. You will feel a vibration in your throat as it's also a voiced sound.
We would usually start by using these sounds at the beginning, middle, and end of words. However, these sounds are uncommon at the beginning or end of words. So, we'll work on pronouncing the oo and sounds in the middle only. Suit, food, fool, Luke, soot, foot, full, look. Let's move on with our minimal pairs. Suit, soot, food, foot, fool, full, Luke, look. Excellent. You did a great job.